Are you looking for the best chainsaw sharpeners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best chainsaw sharpeners that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5, Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. The Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit is our favorite electric chainsaw sharpener because it comes with everything you need to sharpen a variety of chainsaw sizes, including a rotary tool. It works fast with variable speeds and is really easy to use. This kit includes a rotary tool, 3 different file sizes, and a chainsaw angle attachment that helps you guide the file at the correct angle for an optimum sharpening job. It is all freehand, so you may not achieve professional results the first time, especially if you have to deal with a wobbly collet, but the guide shows you exactly how to hold it in relation to the chainsaw chain. You'll want to take a break between chains, though, as the rotary tool can get a little hot after extended use. At number 4, EzzDoo Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. If you own a chainsaw, you'll love the EzzDoo Chainsaw Sharpener. We found this kit comes with a titanium-plated diamond wheel, which is 20% more durable than non-titanium plated wheels, so sharpening work lasts longer. It also comes with diamond sharpening wheels in 4 sizes, which can sharpen any type of chain. This electric chainsaw sharpener's innovative design also makes it easy to use because it doesn't require chain removal or replacement parts. With only 4 installation steps needed upon the first use, you can easily get started with this helpful sharpener. Just follow the included video guide. Not only is this chainsaw sharpener easy to set up and use, but it's also incredibly fast and efficient. All in all, with a high-power sharpening tool, durable construction, and an affordable price tag, it's clear why this chainsaw sharpener is our top choice. At number 3, 7FIRST 2023 New Upgrade Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. The 7FIRST Chainsaw Sharpener Kit stands is best for its innovative design, promising efficient sharpening for your chainsaw. Crafted from durable rust-proof stainless steel alloy, this portable sharpening jig boasts a clever construction. It features an adjustable handle and 2 fixed grinding holes with a standard 30-degree grinding front angle, ensuring versatility and time-saving benefits. Installation is a breeze as it mounts directly onto the chain, streamlining the sharpening process without complications. Its larger size ensures compatibility with various chainsaw chains, catering to different user needs. At number 2, Oregon Universal Chainsaw Field 7 PC Sharpening. The Oregon Universal Chainsaw Field Sharpening Kit is your go-to solution for keeping chainsaws, pole saws, and tools in top shape. This portable kit stands out for its versatility and convenience, featuring 3 round saw chain files, 5 30-seconds, 3/16, 7 30-seconds, a 6-inch flat file, a file guide, and a universal handle. Sharpening is made easy with a detailed instruction sheet and filing chart, guaranteeing accurate results. The compact rolled canvas pouch with inner pockets keeps everything organized and secure, making it ideal for on-the-job use. At number 1, BACKRIDGE Tough Chainsaw Sharpener. BACKRIDGE Tough Sharpener File Kit offers a comprehensive solution for chainsaw sharpening needs. Compact and crafted with quality materials like wood, stainless steel, and fabric, this 8-piece set measures 11.48 inches in length, 7.5 inches in width, and 1.25 inches in height, ensuring portability and convenience, whether you're on your ATV or truck. The file guide tightens effortlessly with a simple twist, providing a secure grip and preventing sliding during use. This user-friendly design reduces fatigue, allowing for efficient wood cutting without the struggle of a dull saw. The filing guide ensures uniform teeth size and angle, guaranteeing remarkable precision in every cut. Compatible with various chainsaw brands like Husqvarna, Stihl, Echo, Homelite, Craftsman, and more, this kit offers versatility. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.